So, good day everyone. I am Dekaditog Bong Jan Ayan, and today I'm going to show you on how to plot the DR and the fixed position of the two stars. So, first is plot the DR, which is the latitude is 44 degrees 10 minutes north and the longitude is 169 degrees 30 minutes east. So, 44 degrees and 10 minutes north. And the latitude is 169 degrees 30 minutes east. So that one. So this is my DR. So next is plot the first star of the ZN, which is 85.2, and by looking the compass rose. So this one, 85.2. Then drag the ZN to the DR. So now this is my ZN 85.2. Then next is the intercept is 5.2 away. So by using the compass divider, count 5.2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then throw the that one na lang. Then next is the position line. By getting the position line, get 90 degrees angle through the azimuth. That one. So as you can see, this is my position line. That line. The position line is 175.2 and 355.2. Then next, get the longitude and the latitude of the position line in the first star. So that one. So my ITP on the position and the first star is 44 degrees 10 minutes north, and the longitude is 169 degrees 24 minutes east. So next, I'm going to plot the ZN of the second star. So the ZN of the second star is 183 degrees, 183.3. Then look for the compass rose. So this is 183.3. Then drag to your DR, going to your DR, that line. So this is my ZN 183.3. Then the intercept is 6.4 towards. By using this compass divider, count 6.4 to your latitude. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.4. So this is my intercept 6.4. Then next is plot the position line and get 90 degrees angle. 90 degrees angle. So this one. This is my position line. Then get the longitude and the longitude of the position line of the two stars. So this is my longitude and the latitude of the two star is 44 the latitude is 44 degrees 2.9 minutes north, and the longitude is 169 degrees 30 minutes east. Then next is the intersection of two position line, which is the fixed position. So this is my fixed position, and get the longitude and longitude of these two stars. So the latitude of my fixed position is 44 degrees 3 minutes north, and the latitude of the fixed position is 169 degrees 25 minutes east. So that's all.